Okay, let's take a look at binomial distributions. In binomial distributions, it can be denoted as x, b, and p. Right? X is a binomial discrete random variables, whereas b stands for binomial distributions, n stands for the number of trial, and p stands for the probability of success. In binomial distributions, there is one formula. Probability of x equals to r equals to NCR, p power r, q power n minus r. And these are the definition of all these variables. Where x equals to binomial discrete random variables. R is number of successes, which is here, 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 and here. Alright? N is number of trials. P is probability of success. Take note that the value of P is smaller or equals to 1 and bigger or equals to 0. Q is a probability of failure. How we get Q is Q equals to 1 minus P. Okay, let's take a look at these questions. Rafi has taken 3 shots in an archery practice. The probability of Rafi strikes the target is 0.6. X represents the number of times Rafi strikes the target. First part of the questions. List the elements of binomial discrete random variables X. Second part. Calculate the probability of the occurrence of each of the elements of X. X represents the number of time Rafi strikes the target. Alright? Therefore, X consists of Rafi strike 0, he missed all the 3 shots, strike 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, for the second part of the questions, we are asked to find the probability of occurrence for each of the element in X. Alright? So, we can denote the binomial distribution for this question as B, N is 3. 3 times try, then number of success, the target is 0.6. So, probability of X equals to 0. NCR, N is 3, C, R is 0. P is 0.6 power 0, 0.4 power 3. So, this means that the probability of Rafi miss all the shot. Alright? So, let's use the calculator. 3C0, we get 1, 0.6 power 0, 1, 0.4 power 3, we get 0.064. 1 multiplied 0.064 is 0.064. Alright? When probability of X equals to 1 is equals to NCR, N is 3, C, R is 1. 0.6 power 1, and then 0.4 power 2. So 3C1 we get 3. Then 0.6. 0.6 power 1 is still 0.6. 0.4 power 2 is 0.16. So multiply these 3, you get 3 multiplied 0.6 multiplied 0.16. 0.288. Probability for Rafi to strike 2 times is 3C2 0.6 squared and then 0.4 power 1. 3C2 we get 3. 0.6 square, we get 0.36. 0.4 power 1, we get 0.4. So multiply these 3 together, we get 3 multiplied 0.36 multiplied 0.4, we get 0.432. Last, roughly strike 3 times. 3C3 0.6 cube 0.4 power 0. Alright? So 3C3 we get 1. 0.6 cube we get 0.216. 0.4 power 0 we get 1. Then this is 0.216. These are the probability for roughly to strike. Means all the shot, strike 1 time, strike 2 times, and strike 3 times. In binomial distributions, there are also mean, variance, and standard deviations. And x is also equals to binomial discrete random variables. Right? So mean of x, there's one formula for mean in binomial distributions, which is NP. N is number of trial, P is the probability of success. So variance of x is NPQ. Q is the probability of failure. So standard deviation of x is square root NPQ. Okay, let's take a look at these questions. In the SPM trial examinations in the school, 2 out of 5 students fail additional mathematics. First part of the questions, if 6 students are chosen at random, find the probability that not more than 2 students fail additional maths. Second part of the question, if there are 205 students in that school, find the mean and the standard deviations of the number of students who fail additional mathematics. X is the number of students who fail additional maths. So the binomial distribution for these questions, we can denote it as B N. 6 students are chosen randomly, so N is equal to 6. P is the probability of the student who fail additional mathematics is 2/5. Alright? The question asks us to find the probability that is not more than 2 students fail additional mathematics. Meaning P x not more than 2. X smaller or equals to 2. So which is also equals to P x equals to 0 plus P x equals to 1 plus P x equals to 2. Alright? So for P x equals to 0, N is 6, C R is 0, 2/5 power 0, then 3/5 power 6. Alright? This how we get 3/5 is 1 minus 2/5. How much we get for this? C60 is 1. This one is 1. Alright? 3/5 power 6. Is 0.0467. Right? Then P x equals to 1. 6C1 2/5 power 1. 3/5 power 5. So 6C1 is 6. 6 multiplied 2 over 5, then multiply 3 over 5 power 5. We get 0.1866. Alright? So P x equals to 2. We got 62. 2 over 5 power 2. 3 over 5 power 4. Equals to 62 is 50. Multiply 2 over 5 squared. Multiply 3 over 5 power 4. We got 0.311. Alright? Okay, so the probability for not more than 2 students to fail additional math is x equal to 0, we get 0.0467 plus 0.1866 plus 0.311. And we got 0.0467 plus 0.1866 plus 0.311. We got 0.5443. If you have any questions regarding this subtopic, feel free to comment below this video and we will further explain it to you.